Welcome to ughecuyc. Ughecuyc is a web application where you can find information about the accessibility of public places and transport routes for people with disabilities. To open the application, type ughecuyc.am in the address bar of your browser and press Enter. When the application is used for the first time, a notification requesting location permission is displayed. To give more access to the application, you need to enable your geographical location by clicking the Allow button. You also need to click on the Agree to Use Cookies button. Cookies are used to access the application and for analysis. You can move by dragging on the map, on laptop or desktop computer, by holding down the left button of the mouse, and on a smartphone or tablet by using your finger. It is possible to zoom in or out, just like when using other maps. Places are categorized by color, according to the total indicator of their accessibility. Green is for mostly accessible places. Orange is for not as much. Red is inaccessible. For more description about the place, it is necessary to click on the mark. On the card, the name of the place, its address, and detailed marks about its accessibility based on diverse assessments are displayed. In the application, you can find currently active inclusive public routes in Armenia. To see them, click on the Transport Routes. The application will show the transportation routes that work nearby that time. You can choose to hide or show separate routes. If there is no accessible transport around at that time, then the list is empty. When moving the map, if accessible routes are present in the visible area, they will be automatically displayed on the map. The map can also be observed in full screen. To exit the mode, click the same button again or the Escape key on your keyboard. To add new places or assess the existing ones, you need to register in the application. Click on the Register button on the top. In the open page, write your email address, create a password, and then repeat it. Choose the I am not a robot. You can be asked to pass a test to ensure you're not a robot. After filling out all the fields, click Create a new account. Once the registration is over, you will receive a message confirmation to your email address. If there is no message in your inbox, check Spam. In the email, click on the Confirm the email address link. You will see your account in the application. Fill in your name, surname, and click the Save button. Your account is created. Now you can add and assess places. After registering in the application, you can add new places and assess the existing ones. To add a new place, click on My ughecuyc, then add a new place. Choose the type of building, business, residential house, administrative building, station, etc. Fill in the name of the place. To determine the geographical coordinates of the place in the application, there are two options. The first option, if you are standing around the place you want to add, press the Automatic Location Detection button for your current location. Attention! To use this feature, you have to first enable the geographical location detection for your location. The second option, fill in the name of the place. During the process, you will see suggestions. Choose the corresponding address that appears in them. The mark of the place will be added on the map. After adding the location by any option, you can specify its coordinates by moving its mark in the map and editing it. The mark is created. Now you can assess its accessibility. The accessibility of the place is measured by several factors. In the field of each criterion, select the appropriate mark: accessible, not accessible, or partly accessible. If it is not mandatory for the place, or there is no structure there, choose the Not Applicable for this place option. If you wish, you can supplement the evaluation with a name and a detailed description. After filling out all the fields, click Add a Mark. You can ensure that the place with its evaluation is added by visiting the main page of the application to find the newly inserted place on the map.